Alright guys, I got the Farmry HSG24 unloaded into the garage somewhere. I gotta open up the crate. Alright guys, I got it taken apart, the crate. Now it's time to see what it looks like. It's pretty beefy. Look at that. I'm excited. Now the reason I picked this model is because unlike the Max, this cutter head has 56 teeth on it. And it cuts in both directions, unlike the Bommalite. And the Bommalite's kind of out of my price range. So, yeah, this is the machine. Just got the crate taken apart. And look at the graphics on this crate. Pretty sweet. I'm excited. But yeah, it's got the slip clutch, the controller, the carbide teeth, or the 56 teeth, unlike the Max. I think it's only got 12 teeth. I'm not sure. But on my TYM T474, I only got one set of remote couplings, hydraulic couplings in the back. Rear remotes. I only have one set of rear remotes. So this was perfect with the controller. Alright. I just got it all put together. Greased all the bearings. All the Zerk fittings. Filled it with hydraulic fluid, primed the hydraulic, primed the air out of it. Serviced the tractor's hydraulic fluid. I just got the drive shaft installed. I torqued all the teeth. So I think we're good to give it a go. This thing's a beast. It's a giant. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Stump is gone. I think it took alright, a little bit of a modification. Instead of having the controller up there next to the seat, I moved it. It's kind of, I used there's 3 bolts in it. Nice and sturdy. I wanted it. Yeah, it's tight. I wanted the controller right here. You know, I could, because I found myself standing right here and manipulating the stump grinder right here, standing next to the controls. From over here on the on the right side of the tractor, I could operate everything. Back it up in the position, set the brake, and then from here I could drop the 3-point. I could start the PTO, set the RPM, drop my bucket. I like to drop the bucket as like an outrigger, drop the loader, and then from here I could just stand here and cut the stump. Nice and comfortable. My arms resting, I'm leaning against the tractor. I like it. The controls are the same direction still. I'll have to take a video.